we are going to show you real quick how you could set up an attack similar to the one we just talked about that was conducted against the blockchain using the breacher platform. So we're going to break this into two very simple steps. The first one is going to be a phone call, and the second one's going to be an email with a malicious link. For today, we're going to use Jason as the deepfake. Of course, the attackers would have done a lot of research on Jason and built a profile of him. We're just going to use a very simple one for today. And then, like I said, we have two steps. The first one is a phone call from him saying that I am at a conference and he has purchased us VIP tickets for a special event, and that he's going to send us an email with the credentials. And then this is going to be the email that we get. It'll look something like this. Very simple for today. Of course, you can customize this however you want. If I click this link, I'm going to get this secure download page, which of course can also be customized, but for today we're using a simple one. And if I click that button, I have failed the simulation. So let's get to it. Hey, Jason, what's up?
Hey, Adam. Just wanted to give you a quick call because I've got some good news. I managed to get you VIP passes for the special event at the conference in a few hours. You should get an email shortly with a link to the credentials.
Awesome. What is the event?
It's a private networking event at the Korea Blockchain Week, featuring some of the top innovators and thought leaders in the blockchain space. You'll have the chance to connect with some big names and potentially collaborate on future projects.
Great. Thanks. I'll look for your email.
No problem, Adam. Enjoy the event and let me know how it goes.
Will do. So
Dude, that's a little freaky. That sounds like me. Like on
Yeah.
the phone for real.
Yeah, I think this one we trained on like 30 minutes of audio. So
Oh, wow.
yeah. Okay, cool. So that part has complete, and then it sent me the email, which I will show you here. Let me pull that up. Figure out the best way to share this. So here's the email I got. It can be personalized, everything. I click my get VIP pass, and here's my secure download link, my image, which I got off of LinkedIn, and then of course I click download. And now, see, I went to this other website, right? So if I was the compromised employee, I would have said, "Oh, that was weird. That link didn't work." Maybe I'd call real Jason back at this point. But what happened under the hood was I probably downloaded malware onto my computer when I did that. Now, if we go back to the engagement, you'll see that I actually clicked the link, and so I failed, and you'll see the platform captured that the email was delivered, and then I clicked the link, and then in this case, I clicked the button to actually download the malware. So I have failed. My security team would be very upset with me, although they're probably out of a job because our entire treasury just got drained. And then, of course, later I'll get phished by the same email that I just used here. So, what goes around comes around. But that's how you'd use the platform to build something like this.
Yeah, I'm going to fish you. I'm going to try to get
Cool.
all my money back and then some more.
That's fine. I've got it all sitting here. All that money I just stole from you. Cool. So if you want to test something like this out, please give us a call. We would love to help you set up ways to test your employees and see how vulnerable they are to real world attacks such as this one.
And that's important. Like this is not just a templated canned simulation. This is a real world example, right? And we can replicate any sort of scenario, threat actor based on threat intel, real world data, or risk profiles. So it's a different take versus kind of the canned stuff that people expect nowadays. So good stuff.
Thanks.
Cool.
Great.
See ya.
All right. Bye.
Bye.